A permanent split capacitor motor is shown in the figure. It has a cage rotor and its stator has two windings, and these are main winding and the auxiliary winding. This single phase induction motor has only one capacitor which is connected in series with the starting winding. The capacitor C is permanently connected in the circuit both at starting and running conditions. A permanent split capacitor motor is also called the single value motor because a single capacitor is connected here. Since the capacitor C is always in the circuit, this type of motor has no starting switch. The auxiliary winding is always in the circuit, and therefore this motor operates in the same way as a balanced two-phase motor. Consequently, it produces a uniform torque. The motor is therefore less noisy during operation. A single phase supply is connected to the motor. The Rm is the main winding resistance, Xm in the main winding reactance, Ra is the auxiliary winding resistance, Xa is the auxiliary winding reactance. Here this current I is divided in main winding and auxiliary winding, and in main winding Im is the main winding current, and in auxiliary winding Ia is the auxiliary current. Advantages of permanent split capacitor motors. A single value capacitor motor possesses the following advantages. Number 1, no centrifugal switch is required because here a single value capacitor is used. Number 2, it has higher efficiency as compared to another induction motors. Number 3, it has higher power factor because of permanently connected capacitor. Number 4, it has a higher pull-out torque. These are the some advantages of the permanent split capacitor motors. Limitations of permanent split capacitor motor. The following limitations are: number 1, electrolytic capacitors cannot be used for continuous running. Therefore, paper spaced oil filled type capacitors are to be used. Paper capacitor of equivalent rating are larger in size and more costly. So this is the reason. Number 2, a single value capacitor has low starting torque, usually less than full load torque. So this is the main limitation of the single value capacitor which is the used in this type of motor. Applications of permanent split capacitor motors. Permanent split capacitor motors are used for fans and blowers in heater and air conditioners and to drive refrigerator compressors. They are also used to drive office machinery. These are the applications of permanent split capacitor motors. Thank you for watching this video.